Alright guys, let's go this way. I saw these two crazy engine guys at it again. Oh, they got this cap off of this, what in the world? Dude, man, time to turn around. Y'all doing something crazy. What's that what?
If you want to do the procedure, you can look it up.
Oh, they said do it like this? The only way? That's what you said about that accurate. That's what we said about that Acura when you took it out from the top. I didn't know you go by the book. You ain't got no tricks on this one?
This is the trick. This bitch ain't coming out easy.
Yeah, considering it's easy to take the cab off, yeah, that makes it. That's transmission the same way, or you can do that on the bottom?
The problem is going to be an issue. It's locked up.
What, the engine is? Oh, y'all finna put an engine in?
I'm gonna yank the whole. No, I'm gonna yank everything out. Engine, trans, and then this way I'll get a better idea. Yeah, let's put that one right there so nobody can access it. Oh shit.
What?
I mean, these are like the crazy Russian and redneck guys.
Come on, man. What used to be right here in all this space?
That stuff up there.
Just lip it up there,
It's
huh?
probably called a radiator and a condenser and a fan and all that stuff. Yeah, that's what they call it. Bumper, intercooler, and
Oh, wow.
all that stuff.
I didn't know that.
Specific stuff, man.
Oh.
Brake boosters.
Larry Wiggling was the last one.
Larry Biglet did drop it to 6.7.
It needs some motor. Yeah, in the back.
He could never
Yeah, he did that in the motor.
That guy, because the guy's like, oh, you hear that creaking?
Where's the new engine? Oh, that one over there? Oh.
It's been fairly inspected.
What that mean?
Oh, look at this. Look, this are not even connected because he's eliminating. Yeah.
How you gonna measure oxygen in the exhaust if it's not connected?
Tuning.
Oh, they gotta change the calibrations in the, yeah.
Ready? Here.
Ah, dude, man. That's illegal. How you gonna pass emissions?
It's a diesel.
Oh, yeah.
You and Chaz.
We asked some of the dumbest questions.
And you guys consider yourselves like professionals.
I'm an ASC master.
That's why you keep asking.
YouTube.
Yeah, that's why you keep asking this shit.
You have to ask these things when you don't know.
Hey, there's nothing wrong about asking.
Nah.
I need this harness. This needs to come off. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me get out of their way. Whoa. Look at this thing. Alrighty. Yep, seems to be the only way. And in order to do a crank sensor on one of these guys, my buddy went through that a while back. He had to take the whole transmission out. Wasn't that bad. It was an 8-speed rear wheel drive, but he had a problem with, he didn't want to disconnect the cooler to the transmission, so we just backed the transmission backwards. And we ended up replacing the sensor and the tone wheel behind the round ring behind the flywheel. So we got that job done. It was a semi-huge job only because the transmission had to be removed, but it's done and gone. These guys don't waste time, man. You see how fast they did that Acura. From the looks of it, they ain't gonna have this in their stall long. So just amazing watching these guys in action. Okay, now as far as this one, we clowning around with this 2.7. Matter of fact, I'll put that footage on another video, but yeah, this one ended up being warped. They overheated it. There was a brand new fan on there, so they was chasing overheating. nagging overheating. It's about finally time to remove the cylinder heads, guys. Even with a block tester, you know, where you use the liquid. Matter of fact, I got a video on that right there. Watch this. I was working on a van, but it can apply to any car. Block tester may give you confusing results. It may show that there's no exhaust gases in the cooling system, but you still can have it, guys. To me, it really depends on when you check it, okay? Because it doesn't happen all the time, so it will throw off your testing. If you're testing something that is not happening, you might end up with some undesirable results. All right, multi-layered head gasket. So blown? No, I wouldn't think the head gasket blown. I mean, look at this. This thing is steel, multi-layered steel. Now this soft aluminum, on the other hand. In fact, guys, I have footage of them testing. He uses straight edge, okay, and matter of fact, I'll link that right here. If it's if it's uploaded before this one go out, it will be in that link spot. But for the most part, yeah, they flat checked it for warpness and it failed miserably. It's not that whole of it. You can see the Mopar sticker still on him. But once again, it doesn't matter if you if you overheat it. This is what could happen. So even if you get a brand new engine, guys, think about this for a second. That doesn't mean you can lax or start not caring. You know, that doesn't mean you can let it overheat. Oh, it's a brand new engine. It doesn't matter. You still can't. Yeah, Mopar sign still on them. You're still prone to failure if you let something happen such as overheat. All right. So crazy, man. That's that Acura engine they put in the other day. But this thing here, they'll have this out. Matter of fact, I don't know. Let me go document the time for y'all. So I'm gonna have the time, and I don't want the camera to stop. So I'm gonna leave the camera running while I go down here and put it on the clock, and then we can see just how fast they actually got it. Cause I'm gonna walk back down here when they're done and look at the clock again. So no trickery here, guys. I'm going to the clock. Alrighty, we almost there. And the time is what's that? 1:45. Alright, guys, it's 1:45 p.m. Alright, so let's see. We'll see together. Why? Is that thing rolling? Yeah, it's rolling. Oh, they rolled it up. Y'all see that? I guess they working on it. It rolled up front on its own. That's crazy. Look at this. Yeah, they rolled it up to get some room. That's crazy. I guess. Stay tuned, man. I'll let y'all know how it go.